Welcome guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new episode of Secret Niches. I got 5 new trendy niches with low competition. So let's dive into it. Go!
Secret niche number 1.
For the first niche, I got this vacation niche with only 666 results. And the praise is on my way to making bad decisions. You can make it with a skeleton. It's about vacation, beach, and making bad decisions where you have a drink or fun. Okay? Look at BSRs are very good. This was we uploaded March 12th, a week ago. This less than a week ago. This like a week ago also. You can use AI, text, experiment. For example, this one is in the gray shirt, watercolor. Okay? You know the game. Very low results and decent demand. Okay? Secret niches.
Secret niche number 2.
For the second niche, I got this low competition niche of 293 results. It is a Christian religious Jesus related niche. It's like with this typical technique of putting letters that are phrases that only some people understand. In this case, these are the letters, for example here and here, and these are of a phrase, a distant phrase that starts with "For God so loved the world," "For God so loved the world," and then continues. Okay, it's a Christian niche. Competition is 293 as I told you, and look at BSR. Very good. This was uploaded like a week ago. This was uploaded 3 days ago. This like 2 weeks ago. A couple days ago. They're awesome. You can use the cross. Okay. Secret niches.
Secret niche number 3.
For the third niche, I have this very low competition niche of 225 results. I think it's another Christian religious related quote that it says, "May the bridges I burn light my way." Okay, it's a different example. Look at BSR, the first, the bestseller, 131. Very good. Second, very good. These all are very similar. I wonder why. Do your research and investigate. Perhaps it's a brand or a movie or from a movie. I'm not really sure. Okay? Here's another one, more like a protester skeleton. Okay? It's a different one. Okay? Very, very low competition. And I think it's a very kind demand. Okay? Secret niches.
Secret niche number 4.
For the fourth niche, I have this very low competition of 287 results of the phrase, "However you communicate, I'm listening," for speech therapists and SLT. Okay, this is the bestseller. It's kind of schoolish, childish, teacherish, or teachers, school. Okay, look at the BSR. BSR is very good. Load is new uploaded. Is also new uploaded. You can use different colors, different AIs, different compositions. Okay, only text. You are free to use your weapons. This I like very much. The new print style. The frame. Okay, secret niches.
Secret niche number 5.
For the last niche, I have this design with 278 results. It's a long phrase and very funny. And the phrase says, "Do you see me talking to myself? Just move along. I'm self-employed. We're having a staff meeting." Okay? You can design only with text and perhaps include some graphic like here. Look at the BSR. BSR is very low, 400, 500, 700, and not a lot of competition. You can also do this more funny. A creature, a wolf, that's like weirdo. Okay, go and use your weapon and create the best design you can to these niches. Please leave me your comments up below, and hope you have a good weekend and good design and good selling. See you, secret niches.